A heart patient who was being rushed in an ambulance to Kolkata was forced to wait just because there was a possibility of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's convoy passing through that route. The irony is that the Chief Minister finally ended up taking a chopper, putting the family of the patient through grave and unnecessary risk. We have Tamal Saha joining us on the phone line. Tamal, ambulance being stopped for VVIP movement. Now, this is exactly the kind of VVIP racism that Times Now has been campaigning against. Now, tell us, in this particular case, what were the risks involved and how long was the ambulance made to wait?
Well, the patient, she is 50 years old and has suffered cardiac arrest and she has a complete blockage in her heart and was on her way from Jaggacha in Unsani area to Kolkata SSKM hospital after she had suffered a cardiac arrest. While she was on Kona Expressway, her ambulance was stopped. It was caught in a massive traffic which was only created for CM's VIP movement by the local police. In fact, the local surgeons who were there, who also saw the patient but couldn't fathom the gravity of the situation and only held her back. But only after senior officers intervened was the ambulance allowed. But only this happened only after several minutes had passed away. It could have been very crucial for the patient to be taken to the hospital and given immediate medical treatment. She is at the moment stable at SSKM hospital, the cardiology department. But then again, the family has expressed its grievances as how an ambulance was held back for CM's movement, even though CM never took that road. But more importantly, the police people tried to even act as a doctor, check the patient's pulse and tried understanding whether she is actually sick or not. Given the fact that she was in an ambulance are not supposed to be held back for any VVIP movement, it is of course a violation of the law. And whether police made to explain as what made them hold back their ambulance for say about 10 or to 15 minutes remains a question. Back to you.
The sad part is that finally Mamata Banerjee apparently ended up taking a chopper. But what I want to ask you is, though we are just breaking the news at this point, do the chief ministers ever get to know the kind of risk that they put people to when they do this kind of a thing?
Well, in most of the cases, these kind of incidences never get reported to the chief minister directly because police people never record such incidences. More importantly, when a convoy actually passes, it's a road being made for the VVIP movement, and after the convoy passes, what really happened behind is never being reported to the chief minister. Possibly with the media reportage now, she would understand the kind of inconvenience a VVIP movement had created, or a possibility of a VVIP movement had created for a heart patient. Although Mamata Banerjee says that she never advocates VVIP culture or VVIP class and does even her boss using a red or a blue beacon, but at the same time, it's nothing but a psychophancy on the part of police that tried to create this free corridor for Mamata Banerjee, anticipating a convoy anytime on the Kona Expressway, had led to this massive inconvenience for a heart patient who is 50 years old, and her family members were also alleging that they were held back for almost 10 to 15 minutes and not sure what would happen, not sure when they would be released. And even after multiple pleas, even after pleas before the senior police officers, they were not allowed to leave the spot. In fact, two of the constables who were there nearby, they came and saw the patient and checked her pulse and tried understanding whether she's actually sick or not. So that's where lies the seriousness of the matter, where the police people, without realizing the gravity of the situation, tried trivializing them by holding up the ambulance, which also had a heart patient lying on the stretcher. So yes, police people should explain as whether there was any instruction from the higher authorities not to even allow ambulances pass through that Kona Expressway, because ambulances are above all such laws, and VVIP movements restricting an ambulance is nothing but a violation of the law.
Absolutely. Like you said, I mean, one can even understand a route being created for the convoy, but spare the ambulances at least. Don't put people at risk in this manner when they are hanging between life and death. Let us listen into what the family members of this patient has to say.
আগে সিএমএ পাইলট পাস করে তারপর তোমাদের হবে আমরা এ করছি জামে আটকে ছিলেন পুরো জামে আটকে আছি পুরো আমার পেশেন্ট আমরা সিরিয়াস পেশেন্ট আমার অ্যাম্বুলেন্সের সাইরেন মারতে পুরো করার কিছু নেই হ্যাঁ এমনকি আমার পেশেন্ট বমি আবার করে নিচ্ছি, আমার সিরিয়াস ব্রেন স্ট্রোকে।
কি হয়েছে আপনার পেশেন্টের?
আমার পেশেন্ট সিচুয়েশন করতে হবে, ফিজিয়ে নিয়ে যেতে হবে, ব্রেন স্ট্রোক, ডাক্তার বলে ব্রেন স্ট্রোক, তাদের এমনি আপনি নিয়ে যান।